How to unlink your account with Facebook on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unlink your account with Facebook on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer and then click this one, settings, and top corner click on it and then just click account management. And as you see here you will find linked accounts. Now just click on it and here you will find Facebook, and here all you need to do is just click unlink your account, your Facebook account. Click on it and then click unlink, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.